Today we are going to study about formatting and more in Excel. Formatting data in worksheet. So what is it? You can format the data to make it look attractive by applying different font style and borders to it. You can also format the worksheet structure like changing the height of rows or width of columns, etc. as per your requirement. You should know how to apply formatting to the data entered in the different cells, such as changing the font types, sizes, alignments, etc. to make the contents look arranged and attractive. To do this, you need to click on the Home tab first and then on the required command buttons. See what are the command buttons. This is Home tab. After that, from here you can change your font style. This is for the bold, italic, underline. This is for font size. This is to fill color in it, and this is for font color. If you tap here, all the letters will start from the left side. This is for middle, or you can see center alignment, and this is for right alignment. It will go top of the cell, it will write at the middle of the cell, it will write at bottom of the cell. I'm going to show you here. See, this is Home tab. First you have to click on this. Okay, click here at home. Then afterward, see, from here it will write in style. Suppose I have written here 6th. Yes, do you see 6th? Now what you need to do first, I want to change its font style. Okay, take Arial black 6. Now it is written in bold letters. Algerian, it is different from the previous one. Like this, there are so many font styles. This, do you notice that? From here you can increase the font size. Understand? Okay. See more. We understood this. Now, what is the remaining thing? This is for the bold. Understand? This is for italic. Italic in italic, it will slightly move towards the right. See, when you apply italic, it will move towards the right side. And this is for underline. Clear? Now, this is for fill. If you want to fill color with yellow, understand? I don't want to fill anything, so I'll press no fill. And this is for font color. And you can write in red, maroon, yellow, green, dark blue, purple. Okay, any font you can choose. I'm going to increase its size, column width. Okay, now you can see here. Now this letter 6 is written at the bottom of the cell. If you want to place it into middle, select the cell. Now click here. Now it is coming in the middle. Now at the top. Now see. Now it is at the top. Now it is at middle, and now it is at bottom. Okay. This is the role of this. Now if you again increase, now you can notice that this letter is at left hand side. Okay, it is pre-default to right and left. Now this is for the middle and this is for the right. Understand? Okay, let's read further. Change font type. I already explained you font type, font size, font style, font color, background color, alignment, applying the border. How to apply the border? You can apply various types of borders to the worksheet data by clicking on the border around head button. The most common type of border to apply is all borders. To remove the border, select the no border option. Okay, let us see how we can apply border. Suppose I'm writing two, three more things. 7. Now see there is no border, correct? Now I want to place the border. So from here we can place border. Which? Bottom border. Okay. It is selected bottom border. We can place top border, left, right, no border, all border. Most of the times we use all borders. What will happen in all borders? It will create borders in all the cells. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you will apply on the outside border, so maybe in that condition the internal borders will disappear. Okay. And I told you I want indent at middle. Okay, right like this. Clear? Okay, next, formatting the worksheet structure. You can also change the height and width of the rows and columns as per your requirement. You can also insert new rows columns, but first of all you must learn to select rows and columns to work on them. Selecting a row. I already told you in the last video how to select a row. Okay. Suppose this these are the rows 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, D, E, and G, H are columns. So if I want to select this row, okay, so what you need to do, go to any row, suppose click on this cell 6. Now press shift, then use right arrow key. Understand? If you want to select the upper one also, again press shift and use up arrow key. Like this we are selecting with keyboard. You can also select with mouse. For this what you need to do, click on any cell where you want to select, then afterward Press left key and hold it and drag your mouse up to where you want to select, and when you have selected, leave it. Clear? In this manner we are selecting cell, row or column. Now next, changing the column width. How we change the column width, and you can see here, you can change the column width from here at the top, or you can say header. Now it is not perfectly fit. So what you need to do, select, then afterward go to the format. Okay, then auto fit column width. It will be automatically fit the column. Same thing you can do with the rows. Auto fit row height. So row height is this. Okay, see, this is height. You can increase or decrease height from here manually, and automatically I already told you how to change width and height of the row manually, okay, or automatically. Understand? Understood? Now next, inserting blank row. If you want to insert blank row, so what you need to do, suppose after this I want to insert a row, okay, where I want to write 7th, 8th, 9th. Okay, so what you need to do, just select here, then afterward right click, then insert. Okay, right click and insert. So it will create a row middle of it. Understand? Now here you can write 9, 10, 11. Now again I want to change the column width, auto column width. Understand? Now it is perfectly fit in this cell. Now next, also we can insert blank column. So last, I want to save this worksheet, or you can say workbook. How we can save? Go to the file, click on save if you already name it. Otherwise, click on save as if you want to name your file. Choose the desired location. I want to select here. I want to save it here. Name demo 6 and save. Now your workbook is saved. Okay. After that, if you want to open it, then how you can open? Here you can see in the reset you have demo 6. Okay. Also, you need, first you can go to file, then click on open. Then you will get the name demo 6. So like both, you have both the option, and from anywhere you can save and open your file. Printing time. You need, for printing, what you need to do, just first to select the cells which you want to print, file, and print. Okay, so here in the setting option you need to check on print selection, so it will print only that portion of area where which you want to print. Okay, after that, second, the orientation of the page orientation means this is the portrait, this is the portrait mode. Okay, and this is a landscape mode. In landscape it will be look like this. Okay, horizontally. Here, from here you can select the size of the page. Most of the time we use letter or A4. And margin, either you want to keep normal or the wide, it will be the borders will be extended. Scaling, fit sheet in one page, you can select accordingly. And at last you can check on this print option. And here you can check your printer, which printer you have selected. After selection of the printer, you can click on the print. Then your data will be printed there. That's all for this chapter. Read this and find the answers of both the chapter number 4 and chapter number 5. In next class, we will discuss about the question answers. Thank you.